So I finally did it. I picked up the Sony A7 V. I've been upgrading a lot of equipment I'm using for my videos, and the camera was obviously one of the biggest upgrades I wanted to make. And yeah, this thing was definitely not cheap, not at all. And yeah, I did it. Let's see over here. You can see all the all the stuff that they usually bring. Papers, we don't need that. This kit was good because it brings the lens with it, so I didn't have any. Obviously, I didn't have a camera of this type. I just had the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So this is another, another good camera. But this one, it is a real camera. Here comes the big boy. Look at that beauty. So this concludes the unboxing. This is the unboxing. Look at that nice big screen right there. I'm not going to sit here and pretend that I have used this camera, for 6 months and give you some fake review. I literally just got it. So this is my unboxing. I'm going to actually use it for my videos, learn the camera, test the autofocus, low light, video quality, and all of that. And then I'll come back and tell you guys whether spending this much money on a camera was actually worth it. If you like my videos, please like and subscribe and comment below. I would really appreciate it. Thank you.